bombastic, pompous, lucrative, profitable, adequate, sufficient, charisma, magnetic appeal, salutary, good, Ceylon, wooden, momentous, important, reluctant, unwilling, corroborated, confirmed, affairs, opposed, moldy, stale, beery, exhausted, orator, a speaker, forthright, state, forward, frailties, weakness, parsimonious, miserly, measure, guessage, murky, dishonest, success, police, control, runway, uncontrollable, mollify, soften, ratio, nation, reasoning, enthralled, captivative, rupture, break, austere, harsh, recalcitrant, obstinate, fit, suitable, reproof, caution, far reaching effect, superfluous, sacred, appreciation, increased, reprieve, delay, sequestered, seculate, dismal, poor, hobnobbing, associating, closely, needlessly, unbased, disheartened, discouraged, contemplative, doubtful, interpret, bold, ubiquity, omnipresence, posterity, successors, actress, an instant, brandishing, waving, inceptions, beginning, infirmity, feebleness, subdued, diluted, hazel, reddish brown, integrity, character, trace, nonsense, casting aspirations, passing slender remark, shame, pretender, indignities, insult, pruned, read, excursion, trip, printed, despise, hates, manifest, easily perceived, scrupulous, marvels, behest, order, diligent, hardworking, tenacious, strong, consummation, completion, adverse, unfavorable, purposed, suggested, hankers, desire, expostulate, protest, floated, forward, accomplish, partner, amity, friendship, adjourned, postponed, judicious, discreet, fabulous, handsome, enmeshed, entangled, regaled, shook, provisional, temporary, stalled, abstract, arid, dry, magnificent, splendid, rare, support, agility, briskness, memories, life, thriving, prospering, fictitious, imaginative, hitching, getting, free rides on request, acrimonious, bitter, pimpering, thinking, productive, fruitful, gentle, well-bred, pure, unmixed, Philippine, frivolous, persuasive, convincing, quirk, habit, befogged, puzzled, declined, refused, persuasive, convincing, judicially, impartially, rampant, excessive, sanguine, optimistic, limpid, truculent, influence, wealth, implicated, involved, comes, stand, assure, convince, catastrophic, disasters, credentials, trustworthiness, savvy, understand, genuine, real, articulate, distinct, beard, unnatural, potential, hidden possibility, adamant, stubborn, feeble, weak, nurtured, brought up, transcendent, searched, exemplary, admirable, negotiations, mutual discussion, transparent, lucid, fanatical, excessively enthusiastic, qualms, pang, oblivious, unmindful, fluke, a stroke, lay, ordinary, commence, begin, annihilated, distorted, larcenous, theft, facetious, bitty joking, incontrovertible, unquestionable, ingrained, fixed, outstanding, prominent, emulate, imitate, heterogeneous, varied, causal, ordinary, crass, stupid, bind, nuisance, vindicate, justify, contempt, disrespect, comprehend, grasp, proselytize, convert, apoplexy, loss of feeling, scared, threatened, lapse, duration, minor, stand, bear, interest, tempt, recompense, reward, scrabble, abominable, unearth, discover, disparity, inequality, arduous, difficult, disclose, expose, afloat, circulating, discrimination, good judgment, overlooked, neglect, noticeable, visible, zenith, asim, I am reliable, dependable, pillory, scorn, emulate, pure, adultery, appreciate, torpedo, attack, rapacious, avaricious, defined, demarcated, resilience, elasticity, proscribed, forbidden, masqueraded, eaten into, remonstrated, protested, precipitous, steep, blatant, openly hostile, scurrilous, abusive, compulsory, obligatory, immutable, unchangeable, marvels, amazing, gamut, range, chronic, deep-rooted, aspirate, affirm, tantamount, equal, apprehended, laxative, ignominious, shameful, foster, promote, conjecture, gauge, stimulating, making big, camaraderie, friendless, inverted, weekend, confiscated, seized, rigmarole, nonsense, avouch, affirm, vivid, picturesque, cherish, hold dear, disputation, argumentative, extant, existent, restive, obstinate, arranged, call upon a answer a charge, sophomoric, amateur, sapped, drained away, salacious, indecent, soldier, continue bravely, lecherous, lustful, bloodless, nonsense, recruit the skin, new burst in, tantalize, teasage, superfluous, secret.